We are going to modify our desktop from this boring desktop to this standard looking professional desktop. Let's roll the intro. And welcome to AllTricks. So today we will make our desktop look like a professional desktop. To start with, first right click on the desktop and click on personalize. Personalize setting window, click on taskbar, then to the bottom there you will find taskbar behaviors. Under taskbar behavior you will see taskbar alignment, set it to center. Close this window. Now you will see your start menu and other icons are at the center of the taskbar. Let's proceed further. Now launch your browser and search for lively wallpaper. Website name is rocksdenister.com. It would be the second and third result, one from Microsoft App Store and the other from Rocksdenister website. So there you go to download. We have two options, get it from Microsoft Store and installer. I will choose the installer one. I will click here, download the installer. It's downloaded. After installer, it will ask to install for you or all the user. I selected for all the user and continue with normal process of installation. Once installation is done, don't untick launch wallpaper. Just click on finish. So it will automatically launch lively wallpaper. Now you can see here it's launched after installation. Select in. That's the one we are looking for, and that's decent when the things are completed. It's applied on the desktop now. You can see the icon there. Click rid of them. Right click on view, then click on show desktop icon. Tick will be there, it will be removed, and now you can see it's are gone. Go back to the Rain component on three dots at the bottom of the tile. Customize. Now we will have a customization menu for this. Raindrops which you see at the background will appear. Intensity, speed, brightness, all these we can customize. I will do according to my screen and my requirement. You can do as per your requirement. I will leave the settings for I used the settings at the bottom in the description. This has overlay color option. You can select overlay colors. It does have some background selection options. There are four. Default one is mountain surrounded with fog. Then we have city lights under night sky. We obviously have mountain surrounded with fog. Default one we have dawn daylight evergreen, and last we have side view of women in illuminated city at night. We scroll little downwards, we see blur quality. It has four options of low, high, very high. Then we have option for blur intensity. So the blur which you see at the background, that would be according to you. You can set high, low depending upon your requirement and your wallpaper, how clear you want to visible. Close this, add a custom wallpaper. Now wallpaper you can download from the link in the description. They are our wallpaper. We have uploaded it and we own the copyrights of these wallpaper as well. So I'll go to my file and open the folder. These three are the wallpapers. Copy the location of these files. Open lively wallpaper. On the rainbow tile, click on customize, and on the browse icon you can see on the screen, and paste the location of wallpaper. Select the wallpaper. Once I select the wallpaper, it will get applied at the background. Then further into some modification, so rain, brightness, zoom in, blur quality. I'll just manage blur quality here because I'm not going to touch anything else. This application. Close the lively application window. Once I close this window, we will get something like this. It will ask us to minimize this at the tray. That wallpaper is running in the taskbar notification area. we'll start modifying the cursor. For that, I have saved few links. So here we have the cursor link. We'll go to our browser and open this link. Link is open now. We will download the file from this link. We will have two folders, dark, one for light. Depending upon your choice, you can install the light one or dark one. I will install the dark one. To select that file called install.inf, right click and click on install. So it will open your mouse properties, and from there you have to select W11 cursor dark HD. You can see I have done that. Apply, you will see a pop-up and click on yes, and then click on OK. Apply the cursor scheme. Once the cursor scheme is applied, your cursor will turn into black arrow without a tail. This is done. We'll go back to our file where we have all the links. We have a link for rounded TV. We'll open that and install it. This thing is available on Place also. Let's open the link. At right hand side, you will see releases. Click on that. Now here you will see some details, and if you go further down, you will see assets and select the first one, rounded TB R3.1 zip. Once the file is downloaded, extract it. Extracting the file, we have to move this folder to a different location. I'll create a directory in C drive so that we won't touch it once we have the Rainmeter the content on this folder. I'll open this folder. I can drag and drop also, and copy and paste whatever you prefer. I will cut and paste the folder on the tricks folder. Now here, once I have pasted this, I'll open the folder and I'll search for tb.exe. If you are not able to see the extension, you can view and go to show, then click on file name extension. The tick will be removed and you will be able to see .c.tb. For file, we will run it as an administrator. The file will run. See user access control notification, click on yes. TB will start and you will notice the taskbar having 8 corners now. OK on welcome to rounded TV window, and after that you will see small setting windows where margin is set to 3 and color radius is set to 7. Modify these values as per our need. First of all, we will change margin to 2 and corner radius to 20. See the effect taskbar. Now click on advanced. Here we will select dynamic mode. Dynamic mode is selected. Show system tray will be automatically selected. Unselect that and select show system tray on hover. Select fill bar when maximized. Taskbar on alt tab also, and click on apply. Close this by clicking on the corner cross. The thing to do with rounded TB is to make it start up. For that, you have to go to the notification area, hovering at the corner. Notification area, right click on rounded TB on add startup. It's time to launch our browser again and search for Rainmeter. Search for Rainmeter. The first result will be for the application Rainmeter. Load it. Launch the installer as an administrator and press on user access control. Select the language and proceed with the normal installation. We will go with standard installation. The settings are default. Meter is installed. Finish to run the meter directly. You will see window system stats will automatically appear. Install a skin for Rainmeter MI power. Back to our text file where we have the links. Copy the link for MI power. This in our browser. Load it. See at the bottom we have a button. Click on download. We will see MI power .rm skin. Double click will launch Rainmeter skin installer. Click on install to install the skin. The skin is installed. To hover on the notification area, right click on the Rainmeter icon and click on manage. I have done. But if you see, I don't see the skin which I installed. In case you don't see the skin you installed like this, you go again to the notification area, click on the icon, click. So I will do the same thing now. Go to the notification area, right click, exit. Yeah, I said close, but it's exit. Launch Rainmeter again by searching in start menu, and you can see the Rainmeter app. I will click it to launch. You can see the welcome screen came. Again, I will go to notification area, right click and click on manage, and now here you can see the MI power skin is installed. We can go on power and you can see B and W. B is black, W is white. So I am loading a black widget. You can see it has appeared at the corner and side top, corner left hand side. I have to drag it. Initially I was having some issues in dragging. After I was able to drag this, moving the MI power widget, I wanted to remove these extra which are appearing on my desktop. So I'm to illustrate and disable one of the widgets. You fast forward this, coming back to moving the widget. So I was doing it correctly, paste and drag a few out, and I was able to. Now, widget has 3 items: shutdown, sleep, dark. It's very handy. You can just shut down your computer from the desktop screen. I will close this since this widget is at its place. We'll open our link file again and call a link for Rainmeter skin in our browser. The process of download will be similar to how we did for MI power. Download the file and install. Quickly launching the file, install. Have an option apply included layout while installing. Make it check so that once we install it, we will see the layout also, or the skin also applied at the background. You can see some line is at that background. Let's customize it and we'll show how it looks. We'll go to text color, select it as black, the dark color. Click OK. Let me show you how it looks. There is media player. Right click and go to unload skin. So whatever we don't need, we will unload. Media player, then recycle bin icon, other icons, the date and time, only the day. We will do a right click and edit skin. Scroll to the bottom of the delete meter date, little above, delete meter 12H clock section. We will also delete 24H section, which is just above that. We will scroll little up and change the scale to 0.06. These changes are done. 5, click on save. So our changes are saved. To refresh, load the skin. There is refresh section. You can see the text of the skin bigger. We'll align it at center. It's nice place. We'll close the settings. Let's go to the link file, URL for Monterey Rainmeter screen. The URL and open in the browser again. This fashion, load the Monterey Rainmeter. The link will be at right hand side under release. Scroll little down and get the file 3.0 RM skin. This all load included skins. The skin is loaded. We'll have a pop-up like this and we can select what we want to add. Screen. We'll enable the clock and minimize all those windows which are there. Minimize it. Let's go back to our clock. Right click and select wide. So we will see a digital clock which is wide enough. Now we will set the clock different place on screen. Where here. And you see our last item which was power, it is missing. So we'll load it again and drag and place beside the clock. You can see how positioning of the widget will be. We'll enable a couple of more widgets, but before that, go to appearance. Here we will select the theme blur We do that, we'll go back to the widget section and we'll enable notes here. So all of these are now enabled. I'll just align these on the desktop. See, and the notes one, click on continue and click white will be like double the size. Then drag this and place below the reminder. Okay, good, nice. You can go ahead and close the widget by clicking on the red dot. Looks good. And I want to just change the color of the taskbar, which is green, and I want thing which can match little bit background. So I will analyze. Here I will select. I'll try a couple of them, but the one which suited me, you can see, is this one, the ambience. Select this. Now if you see, my desktop looks nice, I feel good, and you can choose the theme as per your requirement, what you need. This video, give a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Out.